get Jamaica's men's mile relay team to qualify for the Olympics. This weekend at the national trials will be attempt number 3 to get the requisite time to get them into the top 16 in the world. But my logical question is, if we're struggling so much to crack the top 16, then what's the sense of moving so many mountains when by all indications we're going to struggle to even make the final? I mean, simply put, if we're struggling to make the top 16, with key athletes still missing due to injury, suspensions, and retirement, if we're struggling to qualify for the event, how are we going to make the final, much less win a medal? Jamaica is actually struggling in this event on merit. So instead of wasting all the time and the energy and now the resources trying to get this team to qualify for the Olympics, why we don't just leave it alone and accept that we're just not good enough in the 4x4 right now? And we just need to lift up and say, Wheeeel, and come again!